Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Dividing rational expressions is the same as dividing fractions. In this example, x squared minus 9 over 2x plus 6 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. First thing I'm going to notice is that I'm dividing fractions. So instead of dividing, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. Just write everything back out. Now I can treat it like I'm multiplying two rational expressions. We're going to simplify and factor everything that we can. So the x squared minus 9 will become x plus 3x minus 3. The denominator has a greatest common factor of 2. The right fraction, nothing to do in the top, but in the bottom we can factor into x minus 3 times x minus 1. Now we cancel out all of our common factors and just write what's left over. Looks like almost everything canceled out here, and we're just left with 1 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So this fraction simplifies to 1/2.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.